Hello everyone! Today, we're cooking a bounty which is 500 times bigger than a regular bar. And a giant croissant with berry jam. Believe it or not, but in order to cook Maxi Bounty, we'll only need 4 ingredients. Let's go! Put 20 pounds of coconut shreds into a big container. Yeah, that's exactly how much we need to make a big bar. Add 4 pounds of coconut oil to it. And then 8 pounds of corn syrup. Carefully mix it to get a clay consistency. Then press the mix down to get rid of the excess air. Otherwise, we can get cracks in our bar, and we don't need that at all. We mixed in 2 containers for convenience. That's why we join the pieces into one in the end, and shape a bounty like an artist, making it look like a candy bar. We are using a regular kitchen board to smooth out all bumps. You can press it down even more by slightly beating it. Now melt 12 pounds of milk chocolate and cover our giant with it. Evenly spread out the chocolate. Make swirls on top using the leftovers so it looks exactly like the original candy bar. Our amazing bar weighs 32 pounds. Aren't you impressed? Now that's the taste of paradise. A croissant is another classic treat among food lovers. You know what? We'll cook a maxi version of it. Let's start with pre-dough. Heat up 4 cups of milk so it's about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Then add yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix and leave it in a warm place for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll chop 1 pound of butter. Sieve through 10 pounds of flour. Add in baking powder and butter. Mix it well till you get crumbs. Now mix eggs with the warm milk mix. And to it the crumbs and mix. Pour the pre-dough into it and keep on mixing. The dough has to be thick. Let it sit for 30 minutes. It's enough for the yeast to liven up and the dough will become about 1.5 times bigger. We're using jam as a filling. In order to cook it, we cover 6 pounds of pitted berry mix with sugar and cook it over medium heat till it's ready. Process the jam to get an even consistency. Then add 1 pound of cornstarch, boil it once again and let it cool. Let's go back to our ready dough. Knead it again, then separate a half and roll it out into a thin rectangle. Now cover it with a lot of butter. Fold it and refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Take the dough out, roll it again, coat with butter, fold and refrigerate. Do this process 3 times. Do the same with the other half of the dough. Let's move on to shaping our croissant. Roll out the dough into a sheet that is about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut the edges to get a triangle. Then roll the dough starting with the wide part. Leave it in a warm place so it rises and preheat the oven to 355 degrees. Bake the croissant for 60 minutes. Take it out when it's done and add berry jam. Our pastry croissant is done. Leave your wishes in the comments down below. What Maxi treat you'd like to cook with us next time?